If you take drugs at work, these guys can sniff you out, or at least provide a test that can tell if you've been taking a range of drugs. Dunedin's branch of the New Zealand Drug Detection Agency opened recently, and former Drug Squad member Kirk Hardy is the facility's managing director.
We do approximately 1,200 tests a month nationwide. We have a 10.7% average positive rate. Made up out of those positives is 70.3% cannabis, 20.9% methamphetamine, and 8.something% of other drugs. Now, when you look at it, cannabis is still the major problem in workplaces, and a lot of people, I guess, not very well educated on the actual damaging effects of that drug.
With many workplaces having a zero tolerance policy for the taking of illegal drugs at work, especially in areas like construction and forestry, testing is becoming mandatory.
A lot of companies have different drug and alcohol policies in place which enable them to do certain aspects of drug testing at certain times. So you've got what's called just cause or reasonable cause testing, whereas a manager or an employer may believe or have very reasonable grounds to believe that one of their workers is affected by drugs or alcohol. So under the Health and Safety Employment Act, that manager has to identify whether that person's safe to be on site. So they might give us a call and say, hey, look, this is the reasons why I believe this employee is affected. I need to have him or her tested. So we'll be called out, and it may be it could be anything from a forestry worker, construction worker, transport operator.
Kirk Hardy says drug testing costs around $75 per test, and their testing facilities are mobile, so they're able to visit most workplaces. Daryl Baser, 9 Local News.